What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, Mo Hunt Silver, and for this video we are going to have a single search. So we have a fully sealed $1,000 brick of singles to hunt, and we have to cut this bag open to get these straps out of here. And there's 10 straps with 100 bills each, and once I get them out of here I'll be able to show you what the packing date was of them. Actually, we might even be able to do that right now. What do we have? Looks like January 16th. Yep, January 16th of 2024. These bills were packed. So, let me get the overhead set up and we'll cut this bag open and take a quick look at the outside of the straps. Alright, so let's get this bag cut open and see what our straps look like in here. Hopefully I don't cut myself. Trying to get this cut. There we go. And just do that with it. And we got an open bag. There it is. Perfect. Alright, they do have a sleeve around them to keep them all tightly packed like this. So we can take them out of that. And there they are. Alright. So we will be looking for any kind of star notes, any older bills, any kind of fancy serial numbers, printing errors. I guess that's really about it. Hopefully we'll come across some rare star notes like I have in a couple hunts ago. Or a couple prior hunts. This one's got reverse facing on both sides. So does that one. We have here. Alright. Alright, so far we seem pretty average here. A lot of these seem like they're average circulation. So that's good. Should be a nice mixed hunt. And we'll get into these. And at the end of the hunt, whatever star notes we find, we will be looking on mycurrencycollection.com to check the rarity of the serial numbers, and also if we find any fancy serial numbers, we can use this serial number check right here to see just how cool, as they call it on the website, the serial number is. So, alright, I think we'll get into strap number 1 and start this hunt. I would also just like to remind everybody that if you're new to the channel and you like the content, please remember to hit that thumbs up and also subscribe if you like the video, so you can see my other hunts. So we'll get into it and hopefully we find something sweet in this first strap. Alright, I hunted through strap number 1. We did not have any star notes, but we had two kind of fancy serial numbers. First one will be this bill right here with 4 ending 7s, and then our second one is going to be a trinary with just 1s, 3s, and 0s. I don't believe I'm going to be holding on to either one of these because they don't hold a very high value at all, maybe $2 or so, but that's about it in value. So I will be putting those back into the strap, and we will move on to strap number 2 to see what that one can give us. Strap number 2's hunted. We did not have any star note finds in that strap, but we did have one close call with a repeater note having the 2186, 2184 serial number. Had that been 2 bills later, that would have been the repeater, having the same 4 numbers at the beginning and the end of the serial number. But we did have a bookend note having 2 2s at the beginning and the end of this serial number right there. So that's pretty cool. This note here we're definitely not going to hold on to, but I think the bookend note we will. Put that up to the side up here, and with that we'll move on to strap number 3 and see what that one holds for us. Well, so far this hunt has not produced any star notes. We've hunted through strap number 3 now, and we still do not have any star notes to show. But strap number 3 did have a trinary from 2001, so it is a slightly older note, but number 44949339. And it's not in bad condition, but I think it's going to go back to the bank. And then we did find another bookend note, a 2017 A series, and it's got 69 beginning and 69 ending on the serial number. So I might hold on to that one, I'm not sure, but we're going to keep hunting, and hopefully strap number 4 will give us a star note. Strap number 4, still no star notes, but we did have 3 finds in this one, and 2 of them are going to be trinaries, and the first one being this 8664 8688 from 2013, and then the second one being a 70550 from 2017 A series. And then our third find in this strap is going to be a birthday note, with the date there being November 16th, 2013. So we might hold on to this trinary with the 7s and 5s for the most part, and the 0. But I think the other one, this one here, is going to go back to the bank. And I do not know anybody with this birth date, so I'm probably going to be sending this one back to the bank as well. But these do hold a value if you can find the right person to sell them to. You could possibly get about $15, $20, maybe more, a little less, somewhere in there for those kind of bills. But we'll keep moving, and hopefully strap number 5 will get us on a star note or 2. Strap number 5, still no star notes, and I'm starting to think we got a bad run of bills here, but the only thing that I was able to pull out to show you guys, because we had a very close call on this one, was this bill here, which is a 2017 A series, and we almost had a radar or a palindrome. We were only off by 1 digit, with the center 2 digits of the number being 1 digit off. So it would have been 689. 4, if it would have been another 4, 986. So it would read the same frontwards and backwards. But that one's going to go back, and we'll continue on to strap number 6 to see what we can find in this one. Please be a star note. Strap number 6 still did not give us any star notes, but we did have 2 kind of fancy serial numbers that I'd like to share with you that we found in this strap here. And the first one's going to be a trinary, 5555 7875 on a 2017 bill, and then also another bookend note with 88 on each end, the beginning and the end of the serial number there. So we have 88, 99, 17, 88, and that's on a 2009 note. So I think I'll definitely hold those 2 to the side, and we'll get this out of the way and move strap number 7 into place and get it going. Strap number 7, and you guessed it, still no star notes, but we did have 2 trinaries in this strap that were close to also being binary notes, which a binary note only contains 2 numbers in the serial number, which like this one here, if it did not have the 1 at the beginning of the serial number and it was another 6 or a 5, then it would be a binary note, because the whole serial number only contains 6s and 5s. But it is not. And the same with this one here. Again, if the 3 at the beginning was a 2 or a 7, we would have had a binary note. And these are both 2017 A series of notes. I don't think I'm going to hold on to them. If anything, maybe this bottom one down here. But that's going to be it. So we'll move on to strap number 8 and see what that one will give us. Strap number 8 is finally going to get us on the board with a star note, and that's a 2017. Alright, so we finally have one to check on the lookup. So we'll move on to strap number 9. Strap number 9 is hunted, and this was actually a pretty good strap. We got 3 star notes out of this one. One of them being a 2017 A series from Chicago, and the second one being a 2017 series from Kansas City, Missouri, and then another 2017 series from Richmond, Virginia. So we can check all these at the end here after I hunt strap number 10, which is the last strap coming up right here. And we'll get into this, and hopefully we'll pull more star notes to check, and then we'll see what we have as a total and finds for a wrap-up. Strap number 10 is going to give us 2 more star notes. First one up here being a 2017A from New York, and then the second one being a 2017 from Dallas. So we'll have to plug all these in now on the star note lookup and see what we have. And let me do that, and I'll be back if I have a rare one, or to show you what we ended up with altogether. So I'll be right back. Alright, so this is going to be what we have all together. In this hunt, we were only able to pull 6 star notes, so that's not quite an average of 1 per strap. Usually that's about what we average. And then we were also able to pull out 4 trinary notes, and then also 3 bookend notes. And none of our star notes, after being plugged into mycurrencycollection.com, were rare at all. They were all out of a 3.2 million run size, and with at least that many total printed for the series of bills. So we did not get any rare ones in this hunt, but I believe, even though they're not rare, I believe I'm still going to keep these 2 because they are in pretty good shape. And I believe all the trinaries I'm going to be putting back into circulation. Maybe not this one with 5.5s. And then our bookend notes, none of these really have a high value at all, so I'm probably just going to put all these back in circulation as well. But out of the $1,000 hunt, I think we're going to keep 2 star notes and a trinary bill with 5.5s in the serial number. And that's about it. So we didn't have anything spectacular in this one, but I still enjoyed the hunt, and if you guys did, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel if you're enjoying the videos. And we'll see you on the next one. And thanks for watching.